Hey y'all, welcome back to Krista's Kitchen. So we have another Cirkul box here. Now it is much bigger because we went through a ton of pods this last month. I'll leave some pictures at the end to show y'all why we went through so many of the pods or sips or whatever you want to call them. But we literally take our bottles everywhere we go. So the kids have been taking theirs to camp because they're not allowed to have like juices and sodas and sugary things, which they don't drink sodas anyway. But this is a way that they can still take the water bottles that are allowed at camp and daycare and everything, and they're still flavored, so they feel like a little bit devious with it. And mine stays on me in my car, especially with it being super hot. Got to keep it on me, and I just keep some extra bottles of water in my lunchbox. But our bottles went with us everywhere so far this last couple of weeks, so we really needed to stock up. Plus figured we would go ahead and cash in some of our points. So if you go in, if you get the subscription and you go in and you rate how much you like or don't like some of the sips, and if you keep up with your program, so basically like if you don't skip too many months or something, well, not that you can't skip months, but if you continue to get your subscription regularly, then you earn points for that too, and you get free free sips and stuff with it. So I had some free sips in there. We needed to restock. I figured if I'm getting free sips, I might as well try some new ones. So that's what's in here, and the next package that we get, I'll let y'all know how they are. I'm excited. We have some new flavors in it, but I also went ahead and plugged in the next sips that we want, and I noticed that I have Tropical Blast back on the list, so we've got several of those coming to us next time. But I went ahead and plugged that in because I remembered it did take a long time for my last box to get here, so I did push this one through even faster, and it doesn't seem like it took that long. So it's only been a couple weeks, but we still need it, and we're going to show y'all what we got. So some of our favorite sips that we've so I always like my little citrus twist one. I think that's what it's called. It's like the orange and lemon flavor. That's one of my favorites. So it's one of my ones that I gravitate towards. Right now I'm drinking the cherry limeade, and I have it on a 3, and it is perfectly strong for me, and it is so good. I don't know that I would say it tastes like cherry limeade, but it's really good. So that's all I really care about. Thatcher is drinking the berry pomegranate, and he really seems to like this one. And Ellinor has her go-to fruit punch. Now, a few days ago, she had the strawberry kiwi in here, and she drank so much of it, it only lasted her like 2 days. But also remember, she's at camp, she's outside, she's doing all of that like all day long. I'd rather see one of these little sips only last 2 or 3 days, knowing she's drinking that with water, than if she's downing a bunch of juice. So that's why we're going through them so fast. Not that they're not lasting, because they are, but they. I see something else in here that I didn't expect that I was getting. That's cool. Okay, so I'm just going to show y'all right off. I didn't know I was getting a new bottle. So, oh, there's a little note in here too. To get you happily hydrating right away, you'll notice we sent a plastic bottle as a temporary substitute for your stainless steel. Oh, my other one. Okay. So, as temporary substitute for my stainless steel bottle due to a brief out-of-stock issue. Please check your email box for the message, okay, on options on how we can satisfy you. So I'll look into that. Oh, darn it. So I did order a stainless steel. This one, now I have my little koozie thing on it, but it does sweat, and I really wanted to keep it like super cold and insulated and everything. So I ordered another, like a stainless steel bottle in all of this too. Again, I'm a nurse on the road. I need my stuff to stay cold, but that's sweet of them instead of just saying like, hey, it's on back order or something. It says a temporary substitute. So I have another bottle. I hope it has a lid in there, because if not, it ain't gonna be doing me no good. I don't know if I've ever showed y'all, but the way these work, I probably have, is the bottle itself comes with just this lid. That's how they come. And these are what's in this package. So when you get done with it, you just take that part off, you slip this in, you screw it on, and you are ready to drink. We'll turn that back to my 3. And if you want, you just pop that back and hook it on there, and you're ready to go. So there we go. That's cool. But I hope there's a lid in here, otherwise it doesn't do me any good. So we're going to just rock and roll through these. So we got some more orange. Oh, but that's some of our favorite flavors. We're still rocking with the fruit punch. Thatcher in the berry pomegranate. Ellinor has really liked the kiwi watermelon also. I still love my citrus twist, but this week, or today, I switched it to a cherry limeade. Oh, this is a new one that we haven't tried before that I picked. I figured Thatcher would probably like this, raspberry tea. He loves all things tea. Blueberry cranberry, that's one of our favorites. Peach tea. I kind of had this for Michael to see if he wanted to give it a try. That's another new one for us. The strawberry kiwi, Ellinor's love, which, I mean, anybody can. I got another orange for me. Ooh, a mocha iced coffee. So I am addicted to coffee. I love hot coffee, but I've just recently started venturing out into some cold coffees. So I thought I'd give this a try. I used one of my free sips to get this. So we'll see how that is, and I'll let y'all know. Blueberry cranberry, orange tangerine. So this one is a little bit stronger than just the regular orange. And then this one has like electrolytes and stuff in it, whereas this one has extra caffeine. So you'll notice it says Fit Sip versus Go Sip. Go is like the go-go juice. It gives a little more energy. And then the Fit is just some electrolytes and stuff. Another blueberry cranberry. Lemon lime, that's one of mine that I like. The plain lemon, I wasn't impressed with. I feel like I either got too much flavor or not enough flavor. It just wasn't like my lemon water that I like. So I don't expect that I'll be doing that one again. Berry pomegranate, that's what Thatcher has in his right now. Fruit punch, grape. I don't like grape, my kids do. Oh, that one's already open. Fruit punch. I don't know. I hate to throw one out, but I worry about one that's already open. We'll put that to the side. I'll think about it. I hate waste. And it's probably just from the weight. And you see that this thing got kind of beat up in packing. So I'll wait to see my thoughts on if I'll keep that one or throw it out. Orange tangerine. Mango grapefruit. So Michael really likes mango. That's probably going to be one of his. Another mango grapefruit. Another fruit punch. Lemon lime. Mango grapefruit. Strawberry lemonade. See, these flavors like these seem really appetizing to me. Strawberry kiwi. I told y'all I ordered a bunch. Coconut pineapple. That's one that we tend, I don't want to say we fight over, but we all like jump for. Some more orange tangerine. Strawberry kiwi. Coconut pineapple. Looks like no lid for that. So it doesn't do me any good. I mean, really, we all have our own bottle in the house anyway. That could be one I could give to somebody, but without the lid for it, like I said, doesn't do me much good. A plain watermelon, a cherry limeade, which is what I have, so I'm glad I have another one. White cherry. So this was one that messed up on me in the very beginning. I really seemed to like it. Ooh, excuse me. But, I don't know, I've been afraid to get many of them because it messed up. Like I would get like this big gulp of it, or I'd get none. So, and it's probably just that it hadn't unclipped or something. I don't know, but You know when you get this big gulp of flavor, it's not what you want to have. But grape, coconut pineapple, grape, coconut pineapple, and coconut pineapple. So can y'all see some of our favorites? But we definitely got a lot to get us through the next month, which, I mean, it's July. We're gonna need something to stay hydrated. All of these we've tried before except for these three. They're all new flavors. So I'll have to let y'all know how the mocha, the peach tea, and the raspberry tea are. I like to take sips if the kids get them in theirs. Take a sip of it when they first get it. I mean, I'm their mom and I'll drink after them, but I'd rather get the first sip instead of the backwash into it. I don't know if it collects backwash, I'm sure it does. So I'll let y'all know how those are. But this one's mine. Now, if I don't like it, it'll probably get passed down to Thatcher because he's a coffee fiend. At 4 years old, he loves him some coffee already. He likes to get in the car after daycare and pick up any coffee I have left in my coffee mug. But I don't know how many we got, but we got a lot. And we're super excited. If y'all have any questions about them, just leave me a comment below. Hopefully I can answer them for you or get them answered. Been doing a lot of research into like why I couldn't get sips, like certain flavors and things. One of our viewers helped me find some information on that, and I also found like I'm only 62 points away from like the next level, so I'll get to add more comments also to future flavors or flavors we really don't like, things like that. And it's in part because of y'all, because if you order from the referral program, like you use my code, then it lets them know, but also with us keeping up with our subscription. Hey buddy, I was telling them about your new drink. You want to try some? What flavor did you get today? Did you get the berry pomegranate?
No.
No? What'd you get? Oh, it doesn't say it on it, baby. I know. Oh, you got it at a 7. That's really strong. Let's put it like a 4, okay?
What? Okay.
Okay. Which one is your favorite?
My one is my favorite. This one.
The coconut pineapple? Everybody's, huh? We all like that one, huh? Yeah. Well, we're all done telling how many we got this time. Like a bunch. Yeah. Say, you like them?
Yes.
Yeah. Say thank y'all for joining us. Come back and see us next time.
Bye.
Bye.